Welcome back, and in the previous video we have learned how to create my story. I have started my story with my first character, that is Prince, and now I'm going to continue my story by adding more characters to my story. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this, and this will be Prince Castle. So this will be the story name for entire story which we are going to learn in this session. And what we have done is we have taken this character and he's saying welcome to my castle. And whom he's saying, now I'm going to add my characters. Fine. So just go to the sprite again and you can go and find out the second character in the fantasy part, and here you can have anything. You can have a witch, a wizard, or any other thing. So I'm going to take princess, and this prince is welcoming this princess to his castle, but the height of the two characters are not proportionate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this princess sprite and I'm going to minimize her height like this. So he is saying that welcome to my castle, and she is here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on which character I'm going to work on. Now in the second character, I just want to have the conversation between this and this character. Now I'll just put this quote, but for that what I'm going to do is, first of all, when someone click this flag, then she should answer the query of prince. So the princess saying that welcome to my castle for 4 seconds, then princess should say something after 4 seconds, right? So here what I have to do is I'm going to the control part and I'll wait for 4 seconds, because when prince is talking or prince is saying something to the princess, she should listen to him and then she should answer to his query. Now what I'm going to write is thank you Prince, for inviting me in your world. So it can be anything, because I'm imagining this story. I can ask anything, I can write anything, any conversation I can have between two characters. You have to imagine your own story. So what I have given is thank you Prince for inviting me in your world, and now she is going to answer this for 4 seconds. So let's play this button. Welcome to my castle. After 4 seconds she said thank you Prince for inviting me in your world. So both of them are conversating and they are having their conversation for 4 seconds. So in this tutorial what we have done is we have added 2 characters and then we are going to have the conversation with each other. That is what we want to tell them. So in this way you can add as many as characters in your story, and then you can set the time by adding wait, because in the first character if he is having something for 4 seconds, then when we click this, the first conversation will be like this and the second conversation will be like this. If I have not put this wait option, if I just delete this option and I'll just put this here, then both of them will converse simultaneously. So we don't want this. We want a perfect conversation, like one is speaking and second one is waiting, and when second says something, first will wait. So for that we have added this wait part in the coding. So in the next tutorial we are going to add more things to our story. Stay tuned for more fun. Thank you so much for watching this video.